Let me try it again. Nice. Cheers, your Blue Lagoon. Good evening mga kabunso, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make a Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon. So for the Blue Lagoon, you need this vodka, blue curacao, and fresh lemon juice. So mga kabunso, let's do it. Blue Lagoon. Always remember, make full of ice on the bag. And prepare. And first step, 2 shots of vodka, 2 shots or 60 ml of vodka, and 30 ml of blue curacao, and fresh orange juice 30 ml, 30 ml 1 shot of orange juice, lemon juice. And then ice. And shake it. And don't forget to throw the water here inside the glass. Make sure no water inside the glass. And then put into the glass. And then fill up with the Sprite. If you don't have Sprite and you have a 7-Up, it's fine. It's same. Sprite it up. Nice color mga kabunso. And liters here. And mga kabunso, don't forget your garnish, okay? So I will make garnish lime wheel. And don't forget your straw. Here we go. So your Blue Lagoon is ready. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my vlogs. And cheers. Let me try it again. Nice. Cheers, your Blue Lagoon.